Welcome back! This is week 2 of our series on prepositions after verbs and adjectives. Remember, we're working together on this every week. So if you missed the first video, you can check it out to catch up. Let's dive into today's examples. A little reminder though, after prepositions, use the gerund, so ing form. For example, she's interested in learning new things. So let's think about these examples. We might go out. It depends the weather. On. It depends on the weather. A common mistake here is off. Who does this book belong to? Belong to. I dreamt my childhood last night. About. I dreamt about my childhood last night. Don't laugh me. I'm doing my best. At. Don't laugh at me. We're really looking forward to the party. To. Look forward to. Well done. Keep practicing and make sure to create your own examples with these prepositions. You can do so in the comments. Join me next week as we start working on prepositions after adjectives. And if you'd like the PDF with all the prepositions we're going to cover, comment PDF and I'll send it to you.